Here, in the coldest place on Earth, where temperatures drop below minus 50 degrees Celsius,
a tiny heart dares to beat.
after 2 months of darkness, the ice stirs and life cracks through the silence. His mother shields him from the wind, and her body the only wall between warmth and death.
When she leaves for the sea, his father takes her place. Fasting for weeks, standing through endless storms.
For days, he holds his king penguin chick close. No food, no warmth, but his own only faith.
And then, across the frozen horizon, hope returns.
Safe and fed, the chick takes his first steps into the white unknown, learning to balance on feet built for ice. One day, he will dive beneath these frozen waves. But for now, he is a survivor,